Hey there, I'm going to show you how to set up your eSPED account and view and sign your accommodations for this upcoming school year. First, what you're going to do is go to esped.com, and once you are here, you will click Sign In. In the username, you will complete your full email address. And at the first time you log in, you'll need your temporary password, which is Brazosport7. We'll be sure and send that out in an email, but it's capital BRAZOSPORT7. You'll use that to create a new password. And then if for whatever reason it states that your password is expired, go ahead and go to your email and follow the directions to reset your password. So we're going to log in here. Once you have logged in and you've set up your new password, this is what your home screen will look like. Up here in this top right corner, it'll have your name, teacher, and then it has this bell. When you've received an email that states you have something to view inside eSPED, you will see this yellow icon with a number in it, depending on how many accommodation pages or plans that you need to review and sign. So you'll click on that bell, and it will pull up all of the documents for all of the students in your class that have been shared with you. You will also not only just see your 504 students, but you'll also see the SPED students as well. So they'll all be in here by time-stamped from the time that you received it. If you wanted to search it, you could sort them by name by simply clicking on the student's name, or if you want to sort from who they're from, you could click on that and sort there. Now that you're logged in, what you can do is click on Review of the First Document. It'll pull the document up here. You have a couple ways of signing it. You can choose to sign it while you're in the document or sign it up on this line here. But after you've reviewed it, you can download or print the document. But the most important part is to sign the document. So again, I can click it here or up on this page. And then by clicking Commit, this is assignment signing ceremony, all you have to do is click Commit that you've reviewed and you're knowledgeable about the students' accommodations, and you click OK. Once you've signed it, it'll move it to the bottom there and say Signed. So I'll need to do that to all of the accommodations that I have in my classroom for all my students by reviewing it, downloading or printing, depending on your organizational strategy, and sign the document. Last one here. I can review and click Sign the document and commit. And that is how you review and sign your plans for 504 and SPED. The wonderful thing is they will all be in the same place throughout the year, so you'll be able to sort them and come back to all of your students, whether they are 504 or SPED, in one location to help keep you organized.